Imagine a world where humans no longer needed to eat. How would it redefine society, biology, and culture? Let's explore this fascinating hypothetical scenario. Without food, humans would likely evolve biologically. Our bodies might harness energy from alternative sources like sunlight or develop self-sustaining processes. Digestive systems could shrink, leading to leaner physiques. Teeth and taste buds might diminish in function or disappear entirely. Without hunger, survival instincts may shift to prioritizing rest, safety, and environmental adaptation. The absence of food would radically alter societal norms. Family dinners and food-based gatherings would become obsolete. Festivals and traditions centered around food would need new focal points, and hunger disparities would vanish, addressing global poverty. Food production is a cornerstone of the global economy. Industries like agriculture and hospitality would collapse. Industries might shift focus to alternative goods like energy or entertainment, transforming farmlands into forests or urban landscapes. A foodless world could significantly benefit the environment with reduced resource use and increased biodiversity. People might mourn the absence of flavors and culinary art, leading to new ways of bonding and pleasure. Humans no longer needing to eat could disrupt the natural food chain, affecting predators and prey in ecosystems. If eating is removed, humans might redefine their purpose, focusing on creativity, knowledge, and global collaboration. However, not everything would be ideal. Entire cuisines would vanish, impacting traditions and leading to economic struggles. This thought experiment shows how fundamental food is to every aspect of life. Would a world without it be better or worse?